Hey, Mr. G here, and I'm going to show you how to play the D major open chord. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. So the D major open chord, this is what it looks like. And this is what it sounds like. The D major open chord is made up of D, F sharp, and A. D, F sharp, and A. D being the first, F sharp being the third, and A being the fifth. And what we're going to do is, on the fourth string, we're going to play D. We'll play it open. On the third string, second fret, we're going to use our index finger. In fact, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my index finger and just play it like a bar over the first three strings. I'm just going to leave it like that. So on the third string, I'm going to play this A on the second fret with my index finger. And then on the second string, third fret, I'm going to use my middle finger and play the D. And then, because I already have my index finger barred, on the first string, second fret, I'll play that F sharp. So it sounds like this. Now, you could also, if you wanted to, throw in the open string on the fifth string. That's an A. That goes in the chord. So it's kind of sound like this. And you can even throw in the F sharp sometimes as a root with your thumb. Your F sharp would be your sixth string, second fret. The chord would sound like this. But most of the time, you probably just play those bottom four strings. This is what, it sounds like when you're strumming it. So you want to practice that strum. Practice your strum, but practice the individual notes. Make sure they come across clean. Again, that's your D major open chord. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and I hope you enjoyed it.